What if I told you the tiny paper can secretly identify chemical like a detective? No smell, no taste, just magical color change. Today we are going to test whether substances are acid or base by using litmus papers. First take the small sample of solution carefully. Now dip the blue litmus paper into the solution. If the blue litmus turned red, the substance is acidic. Now take red litmus paper and dip into the next solution. When the red litmus turn into the blue color, the substance is a base. When you test the substances with red litmus and blue litmus, there is no color change at all. The substance is neutral. Never taste or never touch unknown chemicals directly. Let science color your imagination. Join our science class today to learn science more interesting and more engaging manner.